This course in public health will provide students a platform to explore public health problems and issues. Students will learn about various public health programs and policies and how do they contribute in promoting facilities and resources for health and hygiene of people. This course is designed with the vision Healthy People in Healthy Communities. The course aims to improve health and promote awareness on healthy habits to save lives from hazardous diseases. It highlights the solutions to public health problems while developing practical skills as a public health professional. Also, the course introduces and investigates the issues, functions, and context of public health, community health, and health systems. It enables students to observe and learn about how to promote good health and reduce the burden of disease. This course also focuses on environmental health issues and effective management of environmental exposures. It highlights the importance of good hygiene facilities, safe drinking water, good air quality, and proper hazardous waste disposal. This course is designed to educate the next generation of public health leaders and professionals who endeavor to discover, test, and disseminate solutions to health threats and problems. Mission of this course is to promote physical and mental health and prevent disease, injury, and disability. Explore a strong foundation of knowledge and skills across the broad spectrum of public health through this course. It will provide broad and basic understanding of competencies needed to enhance the health of the community. Professionals working in any area of public health, governmental organizations, health services, management, policy and planning, housing, transport, or for community groups and NGOs can explore this course to acquire a strong foundation in various sectors of health services. The course aims to provide understanding of why and how different populations carry various kinds of disease burden. It enables students to explore successful scientific discoveries and regulatory policies which have contributed to improve health outcomes. Students must learn about the development of practices such as quarantines and immunizations. Students must also take a glimpse at public health biology, which involves the viral, bacterial, and environmental causes of specific diseases. Through this course, students can gain knowledge on how to improve health by preventing diseases and understand how healthy practices impact our daily lives. The duration of the course is 8 weeks. Students need to contribute 3 to 4 hours per week in order to complete the course successfully and will be taught in English. In the first week, students will be given a general introduction of public health and its associated aspects. In the second week, students will be taught a comprehensive approach to primary health care. In week 3rd, disease prevention strategies will be taught. Knowledge about the role of family planning on public health will be given in the week 4. In week 5, students will be taught how to develop immunity for a healthy living, and in week 6, students will get a glimpse of role of government agencies in promoting good health. In week 7, students will need to clear an assessment test, and by the end of week 8, students must submit the capstone project. In order to get the certificate, students must gain 6 credits. Teaching methodologies include video lectures and PowerPoint presentations. Study material comprises handouts, and students' performance is assessed through online multiple choice exam assignments and capstone project. This public health program can help achieve your goals whether you wish to seek a career in healthcare or research, or simply looking to learn about public health issues. This course will enable to fulfill your desire to explore current health policy and public health issues. The objective of this course is to make you understand vital factors which affect health and promote healthy practices and prevent diseases among entire populations rather than on treating individual illness.